2, 1, go.
Okay, good afternoon, my dear fellow men. I am Rachalas. I'm here in TLE Boys. Now you see there are some students of Cagayan National High School, and I don't know what are they doing. So come on, let's interview them. So okay, hey you, hey you. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Aljo Fernandez.
What? Aljore Fernandez. Guys, this is Aljore Fernandez from
Galing sa bahay namin.
Galing daw sa bahay nila. You're such a bright boy, you know. So, what are you doing? What are they doing, huh? You don't know? Oh, sige. Come. Here. That's all. Hey, I think the students of Cagayan National High School are shy.
Shy.
Hey, how about this? This guy is so attractive. He's so attractive.
I'm so attractive. By the way, I'm Julimar.
Julimar. Nice to meet you,
Julimar. Hey, do you want kang kayod? You want?
Wait. You're not part of the...
Wait. Afterward. Mamaya.
What is your essence in life?
Essence life. I have only one saying. One saying. Okay. Love one, ayot main.
Yeah, nice.
Love one,
Nice to
ayot
meet
main.
you.
Okay.
Oh, hey, we see some lovebirds.
Lovebirds.
What's your name?
What's your name? Who you to?
Who are you? You have a very straight hair. Who
How
are
about
you?
me?
Yeah, you too. What's your name?
Straight. Okay,
Angelina
Angelina.
Cambra. Oh, what are you doing? For what?
Makes lampong with me.
What? He wants to make lampong with you?
Shit.
Yeah? What?
Really? How many?
Oh my God, lampong.
It's
Yeah.
Julimar.
Julimar.
Tao siya, nasasaktan.
Julimar.
They're watching.
Hey, there. The black guy.
The black guy.
Black guy.
The black guy, yeah, the black guy.
Wait, stop there.
Chocolate face.
Okay, chocolate. Wait.
Eight ball, what's your name?
I'm Akon.
Akon
What?
of Cagayan National
What?
High School.
Akon?
Nice to meet you.
Akon.
Yeah. What are you doing? Can you give us a rap?
Yeah, okay, rap.
Yeah.
Hey, Cagayan High.
That was a very nice rap with, who are you? Jamaica?
My teacher,
Document. This guy, also black. Come here.
Palo.
Hey.
We continue.
I see another black guy. Come on. What's your name? Hey. His name is Hey.
Hey.
Not sure.
Not sure? Yeah, not sure. Your name is not sure. So, not sure.
Yeah.
Hey. What's your what are you eating? Halo?
Halo.
Halo.
Okay,
Wow.
Halo.
I hate you. Go. No. What is the essence of being a Cagayan National High School student?
A black one.
Black people is the essence of the Cagayan National.
I am black people. Yeah,
I
black.
disagree with that.
Black people.
Because there are only two of you and a lot of us. You know?
Black, yeah. Very black.
Hey, a very white guy.
Yeah.
A white guy.
Show for. Yo, battery.